What is happening, guys? Junior's Tech here, back with another video. Now today is an extremely exciting video. Now if you remember a little while ago I did a video regarding a pair of sunglasses that had built-in speakers. Now they were amazing, they were basic sunglasses, but that was pretty much all they were. Now a company called VUE kindly emailed me and said that they were starting off on Kickstarter. They have a website all set up, which will all be in the links in the description, and they wanted to send me over a pair of glasses, which were sunglasses. And at first I was thinking, I don't really review glasses, I'm more of a tech guy. But then when I actually read the email properly and looked on their website, I couldn't believe what they were actually physically selling. So let's first of all, let's have a look at their website. So this is the VUE website, and as we see, the first thing we see is two pair of glasses. Now they do look really cool, but if we have a look, it says calls, music and voice assistance. The future of eyewear is connected. Now, if we look here, we have open ear surround sound. So this is a direct speakers that will point sounds towards your ears and allow you to listen to music while wearing glasses. But the great thing is, if I click on shop now and pick the ones I like, we have standard. So we have blue light filters, we have photochromic or no lenses, and then we also have prescription. So if you actually want, a pair of glasses that have speakers built in them, which we'll go into later, but you actually have a prescription, you can get your prescription glasses added in, so you can actually wear your prescription glasses looking amazing with that set of frames as well as listening to music. Now that sounds incredible. So this is what we're looking at. Let's just get into it. So guys, this is what we are looking at. So this is your better everyday starts today. So this is from a company called VUE. Nothing else going on the box, a little bit about product information, and that is pretty much it. And then it also tells you on the side, which is right there, what we got. So it tells you what type we got, and then if we actually got a prescription with us, which we didn't because I don't need them. But anyways, and there we go. So the first thing we get is a very nice leather bag there, which has the sunglasses in, and we have charging cable, and also this is a quick starting guide. So I'm going to get this opened up. We're going to get everything out, what we actually get with this, and pop it away. And I just have to say that really is an amazing way to actually unbox a product. It looks absolutely incredible. So first off, we do have a small little microfiber cloth here, which is very nice. It does have the VUE logo stamped into it, which is also great. And alone it looks incredible. So as we can see there, we have the VUE logo going on, and that really does look great. Pop that to one side. We get the charger cable that comes with this, because obviously it won't be a standard charging cable. It is a dual cable, as we can see. So we have USB on that side, and then we have two charging pins either side here, and they are wrapped in plastic to keep them protected. As we can see there, two magnets either side to make sure it stays connected, and two brass pins either side that will connect to each side of the glasses, which is also nice to see. We do have a warranty, safety and handling. This is just going to tell you a little bit about the claim processes, or if you have any issues, which I'm sure you won't. And then we have the user manual. The user manual is very small because these are extremely easy to use, and that's pretty much it. So why don't we get into the bit where we all came. So old school glasses case, pinch it and it opens up just like that, and then we're going to slide the glasses out. As we can see inside there as well, it is a very soft material, typically like the microfiber. So I'm going to get these legs out and we're going to take a look at these. So first of all, on the side we do have touch panels that are protected by a little sleeve. We're just going to pull them off there, pretty much just telling you exactly where the touchpad is, which is nice to see. And we're going to take a look at these. So first off, yes, they look like a normal pair of sunglasses. They're not chunky, they're not thick. The legs are pretty much an accurate size of pretty much what you would get online for a pair of sunglasses. There isn't really much of a difference. So as we can see, we have the black and gold going on here, which is very nice. Then we do have the VUE logo on the side of the leg going on there. We do have the VUE logo going on the side there in gold, which is extremely nice also. And it is the same on the other side. So we do have our charging pins right there, and it's the exact same on the other leg also. But if I slightly tilt it, we can see a very small little speaker, and it is the exact same on the other leg there. And the way these are actually proportionally designed is when you actually put them on your head where your ear goes, The speaker is pointing towards your ear canal, which is allowing you to be able to listen to the music much more clearer. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these connected up and actually try and listen to some music to see if you can hear the sound through them. So what we're going to do is I'm going to jump into some specifications. I'm not going to waste any of your time, and we're going to go through what these sunglasses have to offer and pretty much what they are. So let's go do that now. So guys, when it comes to these VUE sunglasses, these really are the future of eyewear as well as being connected. So the VUE is the world's thinnest, lightest pair of smart sunglasses designed for everyday use. And these are offered in so many different shapes and sizes. Now, as we saw from the website before, you do have a full different variety of sunglasses, as well as normal glasses, sunglasses, and even prescription style glasses. So these are open ear surround sounds. So the directional speakers point sound wave towards your ear so you can experience audio straight from your glasses. Your ear remains open to hear your surroundings, but you can also enjoy the music as well as going about everyday life. They are simple and as well come with touch control. Just simply tapping twice to either pause or play a song, or answer or hang up even a phone call. A long hold will trigger your phone's voice activation, so you don't have to worry about grabbing your phone out or your device out and having to mess around with it. So these also come with high noise cancellation microphones as well, so the microphone picks up your voice clearly, so you can take calls or issue voice commands to your favorite voice assistants. And with the built-in noise cancellation algorithms, your voice will sound sharp, clear, regardless of what surroundings you're in. As well as the pre-installed prescription lenses. VUE comes with your prescription already installed, so you don't have to mess around with it. It's as simple as grab your device and put them on. So it's as simple as you can get them for nearsighted or even farsighted. So with the dual high capacity lithium polymer batteries, VUE can power throughout the day for around about 4 hours of playback and around about 20 hours on standby. So if you do want to go check out a pair of these sunglasses for yourself or some of the amazing products, head down the links on the description. There's a link there so you can go check them out for yourself. So there we go guys, so we went through some of the specifications of where regards to these glasses, and I have to admit they really are a credit to what they are. They really are incredible. Now there is physically no difference for what you can physically see by appearance of how these are different to any other type of glasses, you know, the ones that you buy off the market, online, etc, etc. The look of them is incredible. The amount of effort they have put into them really is amazing, and I like them, and they're comfortable to wear. The way the arches are for where the actual speaker points into your ear canal is being situated perfectly to actually allow you to put them on, and they're comfortable. They look great, and you can't tell any difference. There's no difference to what these actually are, and it really is incredible. And ironically enough, they sound amazing. And it really is simple. So I've got music playing for these right now, and you can't hear a thing. And ironically, I've got the volume turned up full, like literally to 100%. And then as soon as you put them on, I can hear the music, and the music is playing directly into my ear the way it's angled. So it's pretty much like I've got a pair of earbuds on, but I don't. Pause that music because it's now getting a bit trying to talk at the same time. And you know that they really are a credit to what they are. They look incredible, you know, they allow you to listen to music, and it cuts out having to wear headphones, earphones, cables, all that sort of stuff. So it really does cut out the middleman, and they're absolutely incredible. They really are a beautiful set of sunglasses. So first of all, I want to thank you for the company VUE for sending them over and sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. They really are a great pair of glasses. And for you guys that are watching, if you do have prescriptions or anything like that, you have sunglasses or you wear glasses on a daily basis, head over to our website, have a look what they've got. You can get these with the prescription lenses, and they really are incredible. So head down the links in the description. There'll be a link there dedicated to their website. And as always, thank you very much guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my further videos.